To create a catapult, we need a bottle cap, a cork, a piece of cardboard, paper, scissors, and tape. Cut a piece of cardboard into a 1-inch strip. Make sure to cut parallel with the lines. Ask your grown-up to help with cutting if it's too hard. Loop 2 inches of tape to create double-sided sticky piece. Then, use the piece to stick the cap to the end of the strip. Next, wrap a piece of tape around the cap to secure to the strip. Be sure to depress the tape into the cap to create an indentation. Now, flip the strip. Tape the cork to the back of the strip in the center. For extra reinforcement, wrap the tape around both sides. To create a ball, we need a piece of paper and a tape. Rip a piece of paper and crumple. Then, tape it around. You may tape it around a few times to make it tighter. Try some games. Number 1, throw a ball into a ball. Number 2, knock down a paper cup tower. Number 3, target practice. Number 4, create your own game. This is game 1.
Yay, mine went in.
Game 2.
You can try with a different ball.
Yeah. And game 3.
It hit 50 and it stayed there.
Did you create your own game? See you next time.